Hello friends, subscribe to the channel for more fun videos. Oh look! Something is popping on the screen. Pop, pop, pop. What letter makes a popping sound? It's the letter P. Say hello to letter P. The sound of letter P is P. P. Can you repeat with me the sound of letter P? P. Look at letter P. It has one long line and a little belly. Let's draw letter P in the air. Down, round, stop. You made letter P. Let's repeat one more time. Down, round, stop. Well done. Look, a penguin. Waddle, waddle. Penguin walks funny. What did I say? A penguin. Penguin starts with the letter P. Oh look,
yummy.
it's a pizza. I love pizza. It's yummy and cheesy. How many of you love eating pizzas? Can you tell me pizza starts with which letter? Pizza begins with P. Oh look, so many pink balloons. Balloon starts with B, but pink starts with P. So many pink balloons. Pencil. P says pencil. Let's draw with pencil. Oh look, who has come to meet you? A beautiful, cute, soft panda. Panda starts with letter P. Very good. Let's play a quick game. Which one starts with P? You have to tell me now. Are you ready? Let's go. Now explorers, tell me, which one starts with P? A cat or a panda? It's a panda. Very good. Here comes another picture. A pizza or an apple? Now explorers, can you tell me the word that starts with letter P? It's a pizza. Excellent. You get a golden star. Our next picture is a pencil or a crayon. Now you have to tell me the correct word that starts with letter P. Is it a crayon or is it a pencil? It's a pencil. You get a golden star again. Amazing. Now explorers, that was wonderful. Let's pat your back. Pat your back because you all were amazing. It's time to go now. You all did a superb job. Do not forget to like and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to meet our next letter. Can you guess the letter? Keep on guessing till the time we meet again. Bye bye. See you.